Hi friends, and welcome again to MALogics with another amazing, mind-cracking math problem. Okay, today we have to solve this question. 45 divided by 9. Parenthesis, 45 divided by 9. So what will be the answer? Can you guess in your mind? But twist is that its answer is not what you mostly people are thinking. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's spill the beans. The solution is such as here. We have one parenthesis and two divisions. So according to the rule of PEMDAS, parentheses have higher priority than divisions. So first we will solve this parenthesis. These numbers, 45 divided by 9. And in this parenthesis, again, 45 divided by 9, which equal to 5. So now our next step is 45 divided by 9 times 5. Okay, now here is one division and one multiplication, as we know division have a higher priority than multiplication. So 45 divided by 9 equal to 5. Here we left with 5 times 5, and the next step for 5 multiply with 5 equals to 25. And this is our correct answer for the above stated problem. Friends, if you found this video helpful for you, then must share it with others. Follow for more to be tuned.